Have a Mac and no one to jam with? LogicPro comes to your rescue. The version 11.2 of LogicPro introduces Session Player, a feature that uses AI to generate audio tracks that sound just like they were made by a real musician. You can create drums, bass line, keyboard, and full arrangement, all guided by intelligent algorithm. To get started, press the plus button to create a new track. You can then choose one of the available player types, such as drum, bass, or keyboard. Once you select, LogicPro will generate a track for you automatically. At the bottom of your screen, you will see the yellow Session Player interface, when you can modify how the track behaves. Here you can adjust the parameters like velocity, complexity, and swing, which affect the dynamic and the feel of the performance. The play button triggers the AI-generated phrases. Other controls allow you to mute, solo, or swap patterns, giving you complete real-time of the control of your track. This interactive interface makes it easy to experiment and customize the AI performance. You can tweak each instrument behavior, layer multiple tracks, and instantly hear how you change the effect all over your arrangement. Even if you're working alone, Session Player gives you music to feel a full band performance. To show you what a Session Player is capable of, I've recorded a couple of tracks so you can see the quality of its work.